there, Cash App users! Are you looking for a fun and easy way to earn some extra cash? Before we start, please subscribe and hit the notification bell for more free money. Look no further than Cash App's referral program. That's right. By inviting your friends to join Cash App, you can earn a sweet $5 bonus for each friend that signs up and makes their first payment of $5 or more. Here's how it works. First, make sure you have downloaded the Cash App from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once you have created your account and linked your bank account, click on the Invite Friends button on the home screen. From there, you can choose to invite your friends via text message, email, or social media. Now the fun part begins. When your friend downloads Cash App using your referral link and sends their first $5 or more, you will automatically receive a $5 bonus in your Cash App account. That's it! It's that easy to earn some extra cash. But wait, there's more. Here are some tips to maximize your earnings. Invite as many friends as possible. The more friends you invite, the more chances you have to earn bonuses. So what are you waiting for? Start inviting your friends today and watch your earnings grow. Happy earning!